going on? Welcome to Build Something TV. Wingnuts, what's going on? What's happening, man? What's going on? I'm over here, figure out some caliper situation here. I had this Navigator that I picked up for around, I think it was 300 bucks. And I really wanted for the motor because I wanted to do that 5.4 swap. That was the whole premise of the whole thing. So when I picked up the car, brought it home, he said it was in some water and it ran, blah, blah, blah. Took it home and the engine was. Breaker bars on there and everything. So determined, engine is seized. So the engine was seized. No big deal, right? I'm like, man, this guy got me. And I'm like, you know what? Let me just see if the engine can be unseized. So first I went to the Home Depot, got some acetone, some ATF. Then I took the plugs out. Then after that, I mixed the two things together, acetone and some goddamn ATF, and then put it in. How much does it take to fill up a cylinder? That was the whole key to that thing. I let it sit for a month. I should have let it sit for 2 months because I think I broke the ring lands, but it's whatever. I had to make something to put on the balancer, so I welded a bar, and in the middle I put like an old socket and welded in the middle, and I used that to kind of rock the engine with the breaker bar because I was scared that I was going to break that bolt in the middle of that on the crankshaft. So I was just like, let me do that. It took about a month to unseize the engine. So one day I just got pissed and I started forcing stuff, man. And I just started, man, this damn thing, I'm in the cold with it and everything. And I got it unlocked. So what I did was I drained out the acetone, the PB blaster, and the ATF. Well, we're on number 3 now. We got 2 here. Drain that, put fresh oil in, change the filter, then I crank the car over. So let's see if it cranks over. No oil pressure. Oh, there it is. Oil pressure went up now. So we keep on doing it, keep on doing it. In the middle. So when I cranked the car over, this was off the camera, I sprayed starter fluid, oversprayed. That thing went boom in the intake, and it burst into flames. And then I had to take my behind to the junkyard to go replace all of that stuff. So this. Need a wire, I need to cut it all the way to the back, all the way over there. It's still good, somewhere right around there. This is still good. And this, really? I just need that in this box here. So that's what I picked up, moving. So after that, put the belts on, put everything on. Then I went and hacked the fuel system. And what I mean by that is I cut right through the daggone back seat. I didn't care about the truck. I just wanted to see if this thing runs. Got these gloves on. That wouldn't have been pretty. Let's see. Soapy-ish water. Clean it out. some, bend this up. Just a little bit. Pump somewhere out. And then just gotta get with these, just remember that. And then and it's full of gas. Boom, got that in. Even with this aftermarket one that I got from the junkyard, remember, junkyard piece is always good for me. Comes with that little connector, so it's just raw. Goes in complete. That piece goes around there complete. This little wire here, I fixed. So that's, you hear that fuel pump buzzing. That's it. Because I was thinking about maybe I rebuild the engine, but when I found out how much the parts cost, I was like, heck no, I wasn't rebuilding. I just want the car to start. Because, mind you, I just kind of started the channel, and if I got this thing running, then I know that I can do this channel. So basically it was like, if I don't get this thing running, because I wanted to give up, but I said, if I get this thing running, I could do a damn channel. You know what I mean? And talk about cars. I said, I could do that. So, lo and behold, the car ran. It's running. How does it sound? Don't sound too bad, right? So here's the kicker right here. All that stuff coming out. Everything. Now, it's not the greatest thing in the world to see a car run that was seized, but it put a battery in my back to be able to do all of this stuff here, man. So, you know, it can be done. If your engine is seized, you can unseize it, but the proper way to really do it is to either, now you put all the stuff in it that I did, and then what you do is you put a weight on the bar, and you just let gravity take control. That's it. You just let gravity take control. You just wait. You wait. When I forced it, it broke the ring lads. You hear that fuel pump buzzing. You know, that's all good, so that's good. We got that going. So we're just gonna let it run for a while. I should have just waited, man. That's the thing, is patience. You need patience, but it was cold. It's been a month. I've been out here trying to do this. I feel stupid, you know what I mean? But it ran. It ran. So I mean, you can get a car to run if it's seized, man. So, man, yo, thank you for watching this episode here, man. It's not really an episode. I was just kind of reminiscing about that daggone Navigator when I was sitting here trying to figure out this brake situation, because I'm about to put the Maverick in here, and I'm looking at this, and, you know, I'm trying to size up the double disc calipers and trying to figure all that stuff out for the other car outside. So, you know, I'm doing these things, trying to figure out what works and what doesn't work. And that's really it, man. I'm just cleaned up this area so I can put this Maverick in here, because it's about time now. I'm going to do a little bit on this Maverick. I'm not going to spend that much on it first time out. Trying to spread the money around a little bit, man. So, man, thank you guys for watching. For Build Something TV, thank you guys for subscribing and commenting. Each time you watch the video, it does help the channel. Even when you guys comment, it helps the channel, helps me to grow, man. And hopefully one day I could be able to give away a car or something, because that's what I really want to do. My main goal is to give away a car 4 times a year or 3 times a year. You know what I mean? Just give away a car, you know, a used car. You know, fix what needs to be fixed. Make sure it's legit. You know, and give away a car. That's what I really want to do. I ain't at that status yet, man. Hopefully I can get there. You know, give away a couple of Crown Vics or something like that. Police interceptors and shit like that. So hopefully one day I can get there and do that, man. I want to give back, not just take. You know, people love to take. I don't want to give back. Your time is very valuable to me. You know what I mean? You take the time out to watch the video, so I appreciate the time. So thank you guys for watching, man. Let me roll and get back to these daggone brakes. I'm really trying to sit to figure this stuff out, man. And really, it's easy, but I got to do some delicate grinding because right here, I want it to sit on that properly. I can make it work, but I want it to sit properly. So, you know, got to grind just a little bit at a time. You'll probably see it in the video. See you guys. Thank you guys for watching the video, and we're going to pick up some more pieces of shit and try to build them. That's what we're going to do. More garbage. But this garbage here was proving that you can unseize a motor. But I'm going to tell you a trick. Do not hammer it.